Hi, in this video I will show you how you can uninstall Python from your Windows 11 computer. Hello, in this video we will see how we can uninstall Python from our Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to click this start menu of Windows or Windows menu, whatever you can say. Just click here, then the Windows menu will be opened. From here we have to type control panel. Then the control panel will be there in this search list. We just need to click here and the control panel window will be opened. From here we have to choose programs and features, this option. If you don't see this type of outlook, then what you need to do, you have to change this outlook from here. There are two options. One is large icons and there is a small icon. We have to choose large icon and then we'll see it is over there. We just need to click here and the programs and features will be open shortly. Here we will see the list of application or software which is installed on my computer. We need to uninstall Python completely, so definitely we need to uninstall the Python from here. We just need to click this search box and then we have to type Python here, and once we type Python we'll see the Python related stuffs are there. So right now we are seeing there is two versions of Python, not two version, one is version and this Python launcher. This is the version of the Python. So to uninstall it we just need to select it here first, and then once we select it then we have to press this uninstall button. I'm going to click here and the uninstall window will be open shortly and it will start uninstalling the whole Python from my computer. It will take few seconds to few minutes, not more than 1 minute, I think so. And once it is uninstalled completely, this window will be closed and there will be a finish button. So let's see how it is uninstalled completely. I am waiting basically. So here it is showing the progress bar is almost finished. Once the installation is successful, then we'll find this type of message, confirmation message, uninstall or successful, and there is a close button. We can close this thing to close the window. Then we have to uninstall this thing also, Python launcher. So just select it and then press this uninstall button again, and same way it will give us one warning. Are you sure you want to uninstall Python launcher? We have to press yes button and then it will start installation of this Python launcher. It will take also some time, like few seconds to 1 minute, to uninstall it completely from our computer. Once the install is completed successfully, then we will see there is nothing related to Python. Here we have the Python text over there to search, but here there is nothing. We can close it and then finally we can close this window, and that's it guys. In this way we can easily uninstall Python from our Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer completely. Thank you guys for watching the video.